Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another Triple Play Saturday. It is the weekend. I don't know if you got anything planned. Me, I gotta work. All right, you all, let's get ready for round one. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, we got a nice watch face by OW, which is Original Watch Faces. The name of the watch face is called Simmetric 2 Digital Fitness Assistant. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. You'll be able to see your step status, the digital time at a glance with no problem. And when the watch face is on, we get an opportunity to see just how unique this watch face is. So if you look way at the top, you're going to get info on your steps, your goal completed so far as your step status is concerned, also miles walked or ran. And if you look, this graph represents your step status. I thought that was very nice, very different. And if you come down, you're also going to get info on miles walked or ran and calories burned, along with your month and your date. And you come all the way down, you're going to get a big digital time, which I thought was pretty nice. I just wish that we could be able to tap on that and change the color. But all in all, it's still a very good look, and it's interactive. So if I want to make a phone call or I need to see what the weather's going to be for today or tomorrow, I could do that with this watch face. And if I double tap at the bottom, I could customize the color. And I thought this was very nice. And it's a single tap, not a double tap. And cycle through the 6 or I believe 7 different watch faces that this watch face has to offer. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.